Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is going over how you can quickly reinstall the doorknob to your Schlage locks in just a few seconds. More information is coming up on this in just a second. Please stay tuned. Alright, let's see what it takes to reinstall one of our Schlage doorknobs. This is a very easy process. It only takes a few minutes to learn. The only tool you're going to need is the working key. So the first thing you're going to need to do is just make sure your lock cylinder is aligned properly inside the doorknob. When you have that aligned, you're going to line it up right here with the shaft. And then you're going to start to have it slide all the way down. You're going to click it in one click. But it is not going to be fully secured at this time. In order to get it fully secured, you're going to need to have that little tab that was protruding stick through here so it is going to properly secure. In order to do that, we're going to need to take our working key, we're going to insert it and turn counterclockwise. Once it turns counterclockwise, you can see the cylinder sunk in a little bit. We're going to be able to push the doorknob in all the way. Now it is fully secured. The little tab is now sticking through its slot. This is not going to come off, and this is just a very easy process to do. This is something that you can definitely do yourself. Schlage locks are a lot of fun to service because you can take these knobs off without having to take off all of the hardware. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This is how you can reinstall the doorknob to one of your Schlage locks in just a couple minutes. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.